Naming picture quiz.
Hey guys, I'm Scribbly, and today we're going to play
Name the picture game.
So grab your pencil and paper.
Let's go. Level 1. We'll start easy. Make sure to write down your answers. Question 1. What is this? Answer: apple. Awesome job. Question 2. What is this? Answer: rainbow. Great work. Question 3. What is this? Answer: butterfly. Super smart. Question 4. What is this? Answer: bicycle. Nice one. Question 5. What is this? Answer: ice cream. Fantastic. Level 2. Are you writing down your answers? Question 6. What is this? Answer: crocodile. Great job. Question 7. What is this? Answer: backpack. Awesome. Question 8. What is this? Answer: watermelon. Excellent. Question 9. What is this?
Answer:
parrot. Cool job. Question 10. What is this? Answer: fire truck. Nice thinking.
Good job, guys. Now it's time for a fun activity. Clap your hands 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Level 3. Here's the last stretch. Are you ready? Question 11. What is this? Answer: binoculars. Clever work. Question 12. What is this? Answer: octopus. Amazing. Question 13. What is this? Answer: astronaut. Great work. Question 14. What is this? Answer: windmill. Super job. Question 15. What is this? Answer: caterpillar.
Wow, you completed all the levels. How many did you get right? Comment your scores down below. I'll see you guys next time.
Enjoyed the video? Like and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Book a free demo class using the link in the description and help your child succeed.
Follow our other YouTube channel to help your child become a great speaker.
Please like the video and subscribe my channel.